Going on, guys? This is Mike from Mike'sMoneyTips.com coming at you today with a very basic tutorial about how to do affiliate marketing. I'm going to teach you how to go out and find a offer, how to do the ad, and a network in which you can put it on that will distribute it for you. It's a fairly simple process, and if you overcomplicate it, it's going to be a nightmare. This is a paid method. It is not a free method. If you want to do a free method, you would have to go through Facebook, SEO. It takes a long time. This way is quick. So without further ado, let's get started. But if you find anything helpful in this, please do me a favor, like, subscribe, leave me a comment, check out the first description in the link below. It's a 15-day challenge that will teach you how to build a business from nothing online to making $100 to $1,000 a day passively. And you can check out the book in there. It's what really got me hooked on all this and taught me how to do it. So anyway, let's go find an offer. We're going to start off on ClickBank. Let's face it, it's the #1 affiliate marketplace probably in the world. You don't have to do anything besides just create an account. If you've got one, you can log in. For this demonstration, I'm just going to go straight into the marketplace. That way we can do this relatively quick. Here you can either go over here and look for an offer. If you want to, you know, you got all these different categories. Or you can just come up here and hit the search button. It'll bring up every category. And then what I like to do, I like to go in and sort by gravity, which, you know, popularity is good, but I like gravity because it shows you exactly how many people that month has been getting a commission. For this, let's check out this Flat Belly Fix offer. I'm wanting to see if it's got something with it for the affiliate tools. If so, it'll make this a lot easier. What you're looking for is banners, because it will make your everything easier. Here you got email swipes. Block that. I don't want that. No, it don't look like it. Okay, so I'm gonna go to one that I know does. Where's that? Here we go. Red Tea Detox. I know it does, so let me show you what you would do. This is the JV page. It'll show you everything you need to know about the thing, what your commission levels are. Click here to get started. Our affiliate program. Just keep scrolling down. Here's proof of them making sales. Click on affiliates. Yes, leave the site. Okay, I know it does. Here we go. See, here you go. You're getting all the stuff here. You got Facebook ad swipes that you can steal, or not steal. They're actually giving it to you. Free ebooks, landing pages, thank you page graphics, free guide, contact, articles. What I'm looking for, I know it's here. Banners. As you see, we've already found an offer. Now we go through, find a banner that you want to use. I like this one right here. Discover how this overweight mother. What you would do. Here, let's look at the full preview. This is what it would be. You would get the code for it and download the image. Okay. Basically, let me show you. This is the code. Right here, you would have your affiliate ID that would go to it. So you would, and you just right click on this, save as. Let me go ahead and do this right quick. It'll be fairly quick. I can show you. I'm just gonna put it in the downloads. There you go. So, okay, we found an offer. I showed you how to get the code for this hop link for the what you would do. You know, you just change this out, these X's right here, for your nickname on ClickBank. And if you don't have a ClickBank account, it's really easy to set one up. Let me go over here and show you, because it won't take but a second to show you that either. Go back to the home page. Right here where it says create an account, just click there. And it'll take you to this page here, I hope. Yes. You fill in your personal information, country, name, apartment, everything. Your banking information, if you don't want to put that in, you ain't going to be able to do affiliate marketing, because you ain't going to be able to get paid if you don't put it in there. I mean, that's just the way it is, okay? If you don't put your bank information, this site's been around for 21 years. It's completely secure. Not a big deal. So, now that we've figured all this out, what we would do is go over here to ExoClick. This advertiser network's mainly, honestly, for adult industry. But they're very affiliate friendly and relatively cheap traffic. What you'd want to do is come up here to campaign, start a new one after you make an account. And of course, you'd be an affiliate, not a publisher. See here, you've got the, let's name the account Red Tea Detox. I know that ain't right. How do you spell that? There. I guess I'll leave that out of it. Okay. So this is the banner size that we had. Of course, you'd want to take all that out, because you're not running you running lifestyle, entertainment and lifestyle. I take music, humor, leave celebrity and gossip. Tech business, I'm going to take that out. Games, of course. Online community, I'm going to leave. General, I'm going to leave. And this erotic and sexy, I'm going to take out. Streaming, I'm not going to worry about that, because I really wouldn't. Here you can go through and find whatever country you want to put in. It automatically does the US if you live in the US. Of course, you can always remove it. See, I'd put Mexico in, and I would put the UK in, just cause, you know. And then what I would do, I'd come up here to advanced targeting. I'd leave all these as they are, because I really don't care where they're from, the language. Browse browsers, I don't care which one they're using. Operating system, don't care. Mobile carriers, don't care. Devices, I don't care. As long as they can pay for it, don't care. Here in the pricing, you have 3 different options. You got pay per click, you got CPM, and smart CPM. I'm fairly new to this. I don't know what the difference between the CPM and smart CPM is. I'm guessing this one may actually take out the bot traffic. So that's the one I would try first. Maximum daily budget, you can start at $20, go up all the way up to 20 grand. Of course, I'm going to start at 20. Where here, distribute throughout the day. No, I don't have a group. You can view this, which you see that, well, here, I need to change this to, what do I have? Celebrity, half a cent. Here, if you go to dating, it's half a cent. And if you go to online communities, same thing. And general, it should be, yep, it's the same thing too. So, you know, what I would do, I'd go up here and change this to 0.00. Well, it ain't letting me. Let me see something. There we go. That's why. 0.009. Oh, that's why. Not too many points in there. Actually, I do 6. Just because that still puts me in position 1. Understand? I hope so. Then you go to sites targeting. I always leave these as all. I really would. Partner networks, I'd enable. That way you can really throw a broad net out there. Mobile material, of course, you're going to have banners. If you've got video banners, you know, if you can find an animated video banner, which is really good. And then you've got advanced settings. You can select all. These are all time slots that it'll show. Which, of course, that's the one I will, if I can figure this out. It's like I said, I'm fairly new to this too, so. Select bidding out of the room, which, okay. All these are in New York time zone for America. Here you can target certain domain, keywords, IP ranges. You can pretty much do what you need to do here. Payments, marketplace. No, we ain't going into marketplace. I'll show you all that on another deal, I guess. But go back to dashboard. That's pretty much what you would do. That's pretty much the layout. So like I said though, if y'all found any nuggets of information in here really worth anything, let me know by giving me a like, subscribe, comment. Check out the first link in the description. It's like I said, it's a 15-day challenge that will help you build a business from the ground up online that will make you anywhere between $100, $200, $300, $1,000 a day. The sky's the limit. It is a high ticket. It shows you how to do high ticket, low ticket, all ticket, because one of the funnels in the system starts at $1 that you make, and it goes up from there. So it's completely passive once you set it up. If There ain't nothing else I can come up with right now. So, tell y'all what, till tomorrow.